Good morning, students. Our next topic is multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, we will represent multiplication with into symbol. Okay, this is into symbol. And another names for multiplication is product, multiply. Okay, like that. Look here, children. For example, I have three balls. In each ball, two fishes are there. In each ball, two fishes are there. Okay, now I want to count total number of fishes. For that we will do like this: 1 2 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 equal to 6. Means here we did, this is the addition fact. Okay, we did repeated addition to find out total number. Okay, here only 3 balls are there, so we did addition. It is very easy. If there are so many balls, for example 20, we'll write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus like the 20 times. No, at that time we'll do multiplication. Okay, now I will explain how to write multiplication. Look here, children, we'll use multiplication symbol here. Okay, this is the multiplication symbol. Here we'll write total number of groups. Here 1 2 3, 3 balls are there, 3 groups are there. So 3 into, in each group how many are there? Yes, 2. So we'll write here 2. 3 2s are 6. This 6 is the total number of fishes. Okay, total number of items. And look here, children, we call this as addition fact. Okay, addition fact, and this is a multiplication fact. Addition fact, and this is a multiplication fact. Here in this multiplication fact, these 3 and 2 are called factors. Okay, factors. 3 and 2 are called factors, and the answer after multiplying we will get one answer. This answer is called, 6 is called product. Okay, product. 3 and 2 are called factors and 6 is called product. Okay, this is multiplication. This is only for one digit numbers. Will 3 2s are 6, 4 5s are 3, like that easily we can say. Now I will explain 2 digit multiplication. Okay, for example 72 into 3 is there. 72 into 3. Now we'll write like this: 72 into 3. Okay, look here, children. First, always while we are doing addition, subtraction also we'll do from this side. So for multiplication also we'll do from this side. Okay, 3 2s are 6. So we'll write here 6. 3 7s are 21. So we'll write here 21. 216 is the answer. Okay, now I will explain one more example. Look here, children, 45 into 3. 45 into 3. Same, we'll write like this: 45 into 3. Okay, always we have to start from ones place, and 3 5s 15. Since 15 is a 2 digit number, yes, 2 digits are there, so we'll write 5 here, and this one is taken as carry. Now 3 4s 12. Here we have carry, so we'll add this. 12 plus 1 is 13. We'll write here 13. Like this we'll do multiplication. Okay, here 72 and 3 are the factors and 216 is the product. Here 45 and 3 are factors and 135 is the product. Okay, this is multiplication. Look here, children, textbook page number 118, 4th chapter, multiplication. Write the multiplication facts. Here addition facts are given, we have to write multiplication fact. Look here, I will explain one for you. total how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write 4 first. Okay. Into, in each group how many are there? 3 cherries. So we'll write here 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write here 6 into, in each group how many are there? 5, 5, 5. We are repeating 5. So we'll write here 5. 6 5s are 30. In this 4 and 3 are called factors and 12 is a product. This 4 and 3, in your fairness write like this: 4 and 3 are called factors and 12 is a product. Okay, same for this also. 6 and 5 are called factors, 30 is a product. Okay, complete this bit in your fair notes. Okay, next bit. Look at second bit. Complete the and learn the tables for 2 to 6 and 10 table. Okay, I think you know already these tables. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Means we are adding repeatedly. Okay, repeated. 2 is added only one time, so we'll get 2. 2 is added 2 times, 2 plus 2 4. 2 is added 3 times, 6, like that. Okay, complete this also in textbook up to here. Okay, next, here multiplications are given. Do this in your fair notes and textbook also. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Some are carry taking also is there. Look here, 5 7s are 35, 5 here, 3 is taken as carry, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So we'll write 85. Complete this. Now I will explain these word problems. Okay, a mustard flower has 4 petals. How many petals do 7 mustard flowers have? Look, number of petals for a mustard flower. Mustard flower. How many are there? 4. Okay. How many petals do 7 mustard flowers have? So, number of mustard flowers. How many are there total? 7. Okay. Now, we have to find total number of petals for 7 mustard flowers. So, we'll find 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Okay, this is A answer. Now look at B question. 10 chocolates are packed in a box. Manish bought 10 boxes for his birthday. How many chocolates did he buy? Okay, look here children. B answer. 10 chocolates are packed in a box. Number of, B answer, this is number of chocolates packed in a box. How many? 10. Manish bought 10 boxes for his birthday. Number of boxes bought by Manish. How many boxes he bought? 10. So total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates equal to 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. Total 100 chocolates were bought by Manish. Look at this is B answer. Now look at C question. A garden has 9 rows of plants. There are 6 plants in each row. How many plants are there in all? Okay. Now look at C answer. A garden has 9 rows of plants. Rows like this. Rows 9 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In that each row has 6 plants. Okay, 6 plants are there. We have to find total number of plants. Okay, don't draw this in your fairness. Look, I will explain here. See answer. Number of rows of plants. How many are there? 9. Number of plants in each row. How many are there? 6 plants. So total number of plants. Let's multiply. Total number of plants. 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. Okay, this is C answer. And complete this counting in sevens. 7 times table. Fill in the blanks to get the 7 table. Okay, complete this. Okay, 7 grapes are here. So only one bunch is there. So 1 7 is 7. 1 7s are 7. Next, 2 bunches are there. 7 plus 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. Complete this. Okay, complete this total. Here, look here children. Here we have to write count in sevens on the number line. Okay, look, 14 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So here 20 is there. It will be 21. So we will draw up to here 21. Next, 7 fours are 28. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. This is 28. So we'll draw up to here. Next, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Up to here it will be 35. Like this, count and draw 7 table on the number line. Okay, start at 0, skip to every 7th number, continue till 70. Whatever numbers you got here, write here. 7 7 14 21 28 35. Next, continue this. Okay, complete this. Okay, this is 7 table. Same as this we will do for 8 table also. Okay, here also for the 8 table also we will draw number line on the number line. And don't write like this directly 10 20 30. You have to count 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. 3 is 24. Okay, now 30 31 32. 8 4s are 32. Like this, count and draw, and whatever wherever you landed here, write that numbers here. Okay, complete this also. 7 8 9. Okay, complete in your textbook only. Don't write this in fairness, only textbook. These 3 bits in textbook only. After writing this bit, write 1 to 10 tables. Okay, after that do these multiplications in fairness and write these word problems. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.